Hey there, buckle up because we're about to take a hilarious journey back in time to explore the quirkiest habits of our ancestors. From teeth whitening pee to fashion faux pas, here are some curious snippets from history that'll make you appreciate your modern lifestyle even more. Let's start with pee-powered cleaning and teeth whitening. The ancient Romans, those hygiene trendsetters, had a peculiar secret weapon. Pee. Yep, they used it to clean stuff like clothes and teeth. You'd think they'd go for a more hygienic option, but hey, they knew their ammonia. Imagine flashing those pearly whites after a good rinse of ancient Roman-style toothpaste. Next, fashion minimalism, medieval style. In today's world, having a bursting closet is the fashion goal, but in the olden days, it was the opposite. Around the 1700s, most folks had just a few outfits. Talk about a minimalist wardrobe. Back in the Middle Ages, 2 outfits were enough. One to wear, one for cleaning, and repeat. Fashion forward? Not so much. Number 3. Lice-loving wigs. Modern wigs? They're clean and made from human hair, but the wigs of old? Mostly crafted from horsehair, not the most lice-resistant material. Still, they had an unusual purpose as lice shields during outbreaks. Ancient Romans even rocked shaved heads with wigs, letting their wigs take one for the team. Brave fashion choices, right? Next, paving with horse poop. Potholes are annoying, but imagine navigating streets literally filled with horse dung. Horses were the Uber of the past, and they left quite the mess. Big cities, like London in 1894, faced a poop crisis. Smaller cities? No better. Back in medieval times, streets doubled as open sewers. Puddle jumping was never the same. At last, Roman toilet troubles. Ancient Romans are famed for their plumbing, but it wasn't all it's cracked up to be. Wide pipes meant rats could join your toilet time, and methane buildup led to surprise flames. And for the grand finale, they shared a communal sponge on a stick for wiping. Imagine the queue for the hand sanitizer. So, while we may grumble about today's quirks and challenges, let's be glad we've left pea toothpaste and poop-covered streets in the past. Stay fresh, stay stylish, and let's appreciate the conveniences of the 21st century, my friends.